Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret. Let's start lesson 004 AutoCAD selection of entities with command crossing. Switch to AutoCAD. Draw crossing. You have to draw window from the right side to the left side. AutoCAD selects all entities which are completely inside the window and which intersect with window. From menu Draw, choose command Line and then left click in the drawing area to set first point of line, and then left click in the drawing area to set the second point of line, and then left click, and finally press button Enter. From menu Draw, choose command Circle and then select option Center Radius, and then left click in the drawing area to set center point of circle, and then write 100 millimeters in the command line and then press Enter. From menu Modify, choose command Erase and then draw window from the